You're going in rim first. Beautiful. And come back to the front where we started. Okay, look at that, look at that, look at that design. See, I like that design right there. That's like real futuristic. And I grab a cookie, and I break my cookie, and I can get some of this in this chocolate. Get it down there like so. Perfecto. But while that's drying, I'm taking apart a couple of these cookies, right? Scraping off the filling. And then I'm coming in here, and I'm breaking it up. It's black and white. Tell you, once we come together, we can make things work. It's beautiful. That was a little racial joke. Y'all didn't get that. Beautiful. Okay, guys, ice cream time. Gotta get some vanilla in here. Oh, look at that. Look at that scoop. Bang. Leave. Oh, shit, I just broke the blender. Hopefully it still work out. Okay. Now coming behind this with some cookies. Put in like 4, okay? Now I break up my double chocolate vodka, okay? Because you need double the chocolate. Double the pleasure. Now we come behind that with some Godiva white chocolate. I just bought this bottle, fresh off the press. You don't know how much a bottle of this costs? Bottle of this is about 50 bucks.
No way.
Yeah, because it's Godiva. Okay, guys, that's ready to go. We waiting on that to dry. I'm gonna try to build a little contraption, okay? This should rest on top of the glass. If this works, I can paste on a little bit of this chocolate, because what this chocolate's gonna do is it's gonna act like glue, okay? As it hardens. So you can put one there. Haters are gonna hate, but this is working, okay? Now guys, let's see if this chocolate foundation works out. You can just drop a little chocolate through. Look at that, look what you just did there. You all know if that works, right? But let's see. Let's start here first though. That is deliciousness. That is just oh my goodness. That's just Oreo love. Now let's see. Dun, 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 dun. You all were like, oh my God, that's not gonna work. Homeboy, I'm a scientist. This is what I do, okay? Guys, check this out now. Okay. And you break her up, you see? And get her all over the top like so. Come in with my little straw right here. Bang. We got Oreo popsicles here. And there you have it. The Oreo Freak-Shake, okay? Of course it's gonna be delicious. This can't taste bad. It's impossible for, no matter what you do with these ingredients, it's going to taste good, okay? Drink responsibly, don't drink and drive. Stay tipsy, yeah man!